Hi, welcome to the Big Bear Homestead. And today we're at the Homesteading Life Conference, and we're going to take a minute and we're going to talk to Clyde's garden planner. Okay, we're here at the Clyde's garden planner booth where we're going to get a class on how to use the Clyde's garden planner.
Hi, and my name is Clyde, and this is a vegetable planting slide chart. And let me just walk you through how it works. It works all over the United States. It has a sliding red frost line on it. You slide it to your local frost date wherever you live. Once it's in place, each column is a week, and it gives you the first outdoor planting dates for each vegetable, the indoor seeding dates, like for doing flats in the house, and the expected harvest dates. And the cold crops they plant first, like peas and spinach, and then the warmer crops like peppers and tomatoes, they need to wait until it's safe to go outside. And you can save quite a lot of money by doing the little seedlings yourself in the house, and this gives you the timing for that. And then the green check marks tell you when you're going to get your harvest, so you can plan a vacation around the time so you're not traveling right when the tomatoes are all coming out. Okay, so it gives a nice snapshot of the gardening season, and it's like a plan. You work it from left to right. Pull it open, and it gives you the seed quantity, the planting depth, the distance between rows and between plants so you don't pack them in too tight, the sunlight requirements. Let's say you have a partial sun area, try growing some of these partial sun items there. Also, it gives you the minimum soil temperature for germination. You can buy an inexpensive thermometer, go out and test the soil, make sure you're not going out too early to plant things too early. This line here gives you the expected quantity of produce per 10-foot row. So say you're going to need 60 pounds of green beans, you know how many rows you're going to have. And then the last one is the companion plants, where if you plant these with this side by side, the roots nourish one another underground. This is the spring side of my chart. You flip it over, slide it to your fall frost date, and it gives you the last planting week to have a nice fall garden. And you know, we have really good fall gardens. A lot of times there's less bugs, like on the zucchini and stuff, and a lot of times my wife is still feeding that to us at Christmas time, like the Chinese cabbages and stuff like that. One Christmas weekend I went out and picked spinach, which we live in South Missouri near Springfield. Okay, so the chart comes with instructions, and on the back of the instructions are the frost dates for the United States and Canada. So you just find a city near you, and that's where you get the frost dates for setting the frost line on the chart. And we've been selling the chart for 20 years, and we're just about to hit 300,000 of them that we've sold. So a lot of people are using them, and I even have some companies that want the chart customized, and they use them as a teaching tool and a promotional item. So thank you for taking the time to look it all over. I appreciate Big Bear Homestead. Thank you.
Now, when it comes to this chart, Robyn and I use this chart for everything that we plant on the homestead, whether we're starting it indoors. This chart is literally in our gardening notebook. As soon as you open up the gardening notebook, in the very first sleeve is this chart. So how can people that are not here at the Homesteading Life Conference, if they want to get one, do we have a link that I can put in the description?
Yeah, I can give you a link, and they can also search just for Clyde's Garden Planner, or they can look at ClydesVegetablePlantingChart.com.
There you go. Okay, it will all be in the description for you guys to be able to go, and you can click right to it. I strongly suggest, especially if you're a beginning gardener, to go ahead and get this chart. It's a very small investment that you will use throughout your entire gardening career. It's $5. It's well worth it. The plants that you will be able to save just by following this chart will completely outbalance the $5 that the chart costs.
I'll give you an example of that. If you buy the seeds and follow the guidelines here for planting in the house, your first pack of seeds will save you more than the chart costs.
There you go. That's a fact. Like I said, we live and die by that chart. So, and you guys know that we usually have a very successful garden. Some things work, some things don't, but it's not because we didn't follow his chart. It was just because Mother Nature, we were either too wet or too dry. So you guys go, hit the link in the description and go ahead and check it out. Thanks for coming by the Big Bear Homestead. God bless.
Yes.
And have a nice day. All right, so after the cameras were turned off, Robyn and I continued our conversation with Mr. Clyde. And Mr. Clyde gave us some of those garden planters to be able to give away. So be looking on our live shows for the giveaways for the Clyde garden planter. Now, Robyn and I absolutely love this garden planter. We use it. We start all of our seeds for spring and fall garden by this garden planter, and it has not failed us yet. So if you're going to the Homesteaders of America conference, Clyde will be there. That'll be another opportunity for you to be able to get your hands on one of these garden planters if you don't have it already. Second, hopefully by November, at least by the first of the year, the garden planter will be for sale on our website, and it will have the Big Bear logo on it. So you can get yourself some Big Bear Clyde garden planter charts if you like. So just wanted to add this to the video to let you guys know that we had some additional information after we stopped filming there at the Homesteading Life Conference. So now it's thanks for coming by the Big Bear Homestead. God bless. And have a nice day.